Hey guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. We are in the late part of the day. It's no longer the morning right now, it's in late afternoon. And well, I had this whole plan for this episode. I was going to call my buddy Robin to come over, give him a quick tutorial on how to fly a drone, maybe too quick. And got the old motorcycle up and running. Well, here, you watch for yourself. And so there you have it, one more drone claimed by the tree gods, and just not fair. So I reached out to some people online and some groups, some drone groups, and a buddy of mine is gonna come over with his drone and a claw. So just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we're gonna do a little droney drone, the claw pickup, and hopefully get this drone back home, because it is up there. And then you gotta go up all the way, and then keep going up under the power lines, and then go over here, and then just the top it forks over. The very end, it's right there. So yeah, and we'll see what happens.
A few moments later.
Okay, so my buddy shows up. He's got a drone with a claw on it. Looks like this. Do you think the payload will hold it?
Oh yeah.
He says, oh yeah, because he's done this before. Your son got caught, and you're the dad that saves the day.
Yeah, man. It was a RC airplane. We got him down.
Oh, awesome. This is great. I've never seen the claw before. It's the arcade game all over again. Oh, I see. So you can just record. Wow, that's awesome. Okay. He gets the drone and the claw lifts it up. We got a blanket to catch it in case it falls. tree. This tree's unstoppable. We had it. John had it was in there, and now the tree is like, I got 2 drones in me now. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh no! Oh no! No! All right. Plan 14. We're gonna think of something else to do. Get these drones out of the tree. I may just burn the whole tree down. What do you that might be. And then as it comes down.
Last option is a chainsaw.
Chainsaw the whole tree, and man. Okay. I'll be back. I haven't given up on you. You're gonna come down. I'm gonna get you. Day 4, I don't know, on this whole crazy thing. I did go to the hardware store. I got PVC pipe. I got 114 feet of it, and then I got a T bracket and 2 J's and made like almost like a football goalie. And I thought if I flew the drone up and over, oh, it's this one here, up and over the with the fishing line and down, then I could have the line as a guide line, put the PVC pipe on it, and then slowly send the pipe up and then hook it. Well, after about 2 units, the pole's bending like this. When's it gonna happen? It didn't work out, but that's okay. I tried a bunch of different things. Yeah, flew the little drone through fishing line, pull on the branch, shaking the branch. That drone is not coming down. So the last ditch effort is a proper tree climber because, like I said, this guy is up there. You go up, 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 up. You just keep going, and then it's actually right above us, right there. You can see it. Yeah. So nuts. So he should be here shortly, and we're gonna get her down.
2,000 years later.
If you want it done right, you gotta get the professionals. My friend here, we're gonna get the drone down. We're gonna get both drones down. Sorry, 2 drones. Oh no. Oh wow, first throw.
Ahí va, ahí mero.
Those are cool. I need boots like this.
This is the spike.
Spikes, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Man. Cool. Oh, the falcons are circling. Trouble. Go away, falcon. Leave him alone. Oh no. Got it. Did it.
Okay. Woo!
This is the secret right here. This is the best. This guy. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Benito! Hey! Bueno, bueno. Easy, right? Drone rescue, done and done. All right, guys, these guys are the real deal. If your drone is stuck in the Georgia area, Atlanta area, call these guys. I'm gonna put their number in the description below. He's looking for more work, more stranded drones. These guys are gonna get up there, get your drone back for you, and you know, it doesn't fall to the ground. I think these drones are gonna fly again. Look at this. This is great. Yeah, got a little bit of a tree, but that's just dust that comes right off. But this is gonna. It's gonna be great. It's gonna fly again. I'm gonna put this in some rice, let it thaw out, and it's gonna be awesome. Thanks so much, guys. And yeah, call these guys. They're amazing.